Hey guys, Sober Chef Eric here. Thanks for tuning in again. And today, it's nice and cold and snowy outside, so I'm going to be making some veggie chili. So hang out right after this intro. I'll be back and I'll show you what we're going to need and we'll cook it on up. Thanks a lot. Alrighty guys, here we go. Time to make some veggie chili. Now I like my food spicy. Some might say spicy AF, I don't know. But right now I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And what we're gonna do, I've got that on medium high. And we're gonna wait till it gets nice and hot. And then once that gets hot, we're gonna throw in 1/2 cup of diced red onions. I like mine in pretty good size dice, as you can see. And then other things we're going to be using, Cooners, pinto beans, rinsed and drained, Cooners Great Northern beans, drained and rinsed, Cooners kidney beans, drained and rinsed. And the reason I like Cooners is it is a wonderful Colorado company, and I love when I can get anything local and great company, just love their stuff. Then we're also going to use 1 can of Rotel Serrano diced jalapeno, or diced serranos and diced tomatoes. And like I say, I like my stuff spicy. And so we're also going to add 1 small can of hatched hot green chilies. We're going to add just a couple dashes of chipotle chili powder. 1 tablespoon regular chili powder. 1/2 tablespoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And because I like a little smoky flair to mine, we're going to add just a little bit of liquid smoke. So now the pan's nice and hot. Listen to this. Oh yeah, that's the sound of goodness. We're going to saute these up. And I like them to still have a little bit of a chew feel to them. And a little hint, if you're ever making chili or gumbo or jambalaya, or not jambalaya, but gumbo, soup, anything like that, those flavors are really going to bloom overnight. So if you have the time, make it quick and easy on yourself, make it the day before, stick it in the fridge. Then all you gotta do is heat it up, and then all those dried spices are gonna really bloom, and it's gonna make everything super tasty. So as you can see, we're starting to brown. So we're gonna start by adding in our pinto beans, Great Northern beans, kidney beans, our can of Rotel tomatoes, our can of hot green chilies. We're going to lower the heat to medium. We're going to give it a quick stir. Now normally I would make this in a stock pot, but it's going to be harder for you guys to see in a stock pot. So I'm just going to do it in a saute pan for you. Now we're going to add our chili pepper, our cumin, our garlic, just a little bit of salt, Like I say, because I like it spicy. A little bit of the chipotle chili powder. And just a nice little, not even a teaspoon of the liquid smoke. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this simmer for about 45 minutes at least. That way those spices will have a chance to bloom. And it's, like I say, it's a nice, super easy veggie chili. Now, a couple things you could do, little variations. You could hydrate some TVP or textured vegetable protein. I like to hydrate it in a little bit of vegetable broth. And my favorite vegetable broth I love using better than bouillon. They've made a roasted garlic, and they also make a veggie, and they are both super yummy. And after you hydrate that and let that sit for about 10 minutes, then you can add it to any recipe that if you want to have a pseudo meat texture. Now I'm going to let this simmer for a while, and once this is ready to go, guys, I'll be right back through the magic of video. And we're back. And as you can tell, I moved it from a saute pan into my stock pot. Nice little stock pot, a little 4-quart action, or 3-quart. And also, it wasn't as liquidy as I would have liked, so I made 1 cup of vegetable broth, put it in there. It's been simmering for just under an hour, and as you can tell, it just looks wonderful. Now, one thing I like to do, I like cheese with my chili, but since I've gone plant-based, I've been using this. Daiya. Yep, that's right. Daiya substitute cheese. This is the pepper jack, and I'm gonna serve me up a bowl. Now this is gonna make dinner for 2 with a little bit of leftovers. So if you want to make dinner for 4, then all you got to do is double the recipe. Basically use 6 cans of beans. Now a little shortcut you can take. Cooners does make chili beans, and they make hot chili beans. So let me show you this. Oh yeah, that's good. Some might say that's the money. So now a little taste. Oh man, spicy, cheesy. Oh, just some wonderful chili goodness. Now, if you don't like it as spicy as I do, you can simply use mild green chilies. You can use regular Rotel tomatoes or diced tomatoes. And, you know, you don't have to add all that good, wonderful, spicy stuff. But I like the spicy stuff because it gets those endorphins kicking. It's good for your blood. And as you will find out in my many videos to come, I follow the KISS rule. Keep it simple, stupid. So you're not going to see tons of ingredients in my recipes. Not going to be too complex. I will show different techniques along the way. And also, not only are my dishes going to be plant-based, they're also going to be gluten-free, because one of my good buddies, Dan C., well, and a few of my other friends, they have gluten intolerance due to celiac. So I'm going to take one more bite of this before I sit down to the table and have it for dinner. Oh man. Dude, that is phenomenal. Thanks for tuning in. And guys, if you like this video, you like the content, do me a favor and subscribe and hit that like button. Leave a comment if you've got something you want me to make in the future. And remember, guys, life's too short to eat bad food. Have a good day.